Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be doing a BoxyCharm unboxing. So I already cut up the box so I can see what's inside this video, or so I can see what's inside this box, but I was inspired by Kathleen Lights because I also wanted to do the BoxyCharm unboxing. But if you would like to see what I received in my box, then please keep on watching. So I have my makeup here in front of me because I will be using like some products that I did not receive on my face. So yeah, anyways, the first item in the box is going to be this Juice Beauty. It says it's the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. So it's a proprietary blend of fruit stem cell and vitamin C infused into organic, antioxidant-rich botanical juices work to reduce the appearance of fine lines around the eyes and minimize the appearance of dark circles. And the retail price is $50. Damn sis, that's expensive. Oh, it looks like this. Cute. So I guess you're supposed to like put it under your eye. Gently press. Ow! Fuck. Gently press. Gently press. Oh, press here. Oh. Do you see that? So like a little thing came out. So I guess. Oh my god, there's no smell. Perfect, because I actually needed to buy an eye cream, and I actually put an eye cream on my wish list. Doesn't really feel like anything. I mean, there's no burning sensation, so that's good. Let me just wipe it. Cool. I'll put this in my bathroom later. Next, I also got this one, the Lily Lashes in the style CEO. I know Kathleen Lights also got this in her box, and this is foam mink. It's also retailed at $25. So I'll be using that as well. And this, so exciting. But I also bought this when it came out. This is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter. This is the one collaborated with Jaclyn Hill. This is the Champagne Pop. So this is the original one and this is the new one. Yeah, so I guess they re-changed the packaging. And look how much I've used mine. Ew, why the hell is it so... Look how much I've used. Oh my god, it looks kind of different. Let me just swatch it. How come it looks a little bit different? So this is the older... Wait. This is the older one. And this is the newer one. Is there a difference? I think the older one looks a little bit more golden. So we'll use the newer one. Or is it just me? That's already more expensive than this box in general. So cool. Oh, they didn't put a primer in this video, so I'm just gonna go in, or I'm just gonna prime outside. I'm just gonna go in with my own primer. So let me just do that off camera. So they actually did send a Kristen Dominique Celestial Thunder palette, and this palette retails for $35. It is a full-size palette, and it looks like this. It is so gorgeous. pretty. Yeah. Honestly, this is a good palette. I mean, I definitely want to use the other colors, so we'll see what else I can come up with. And then I already primed my my face off camera with my other stuff because there was no primer in here. And then they also gave this. It's the sample of the Becca. Well, it's not on the stuff, but it's like the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. And then they gave me like 3 different colors. And obviously it's not enough to like cover my entire face, you know. So what I'm gonna do is just use this entire thing to cover my face. So let's just see how much it can actually even cover. And then BoxyCharm also sent like these brushes that came in this pouch. So it's a 2-piece brush set that resells for, not resells, that is a retail price of $35. And it is their first time ever BoxyCharm branded brush set. So these are large multi-purpose powder brush sets that are perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products, and foundation brushes. Has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. So what I'm gonna use is the bigger one for like the foundation. So let me just place all of these on my face, or let me just use the bigger brush to place the foundation. Whatever. Anyways, so I'm gonna just do my concealer. Well, I want to see how this brush performs, so let me just apply my concealer on camera. But this isn't from BoxyCharm. I just want to show you like how well it blends out my concealer. I mean, I honestly hate using brushes to blend out concealer, but for the most part, it's okay. That's okay. So I want to actually do like a colorful under eye look. So I'm going to use like that teal color here. Oh my gosh. Super pigmented, sis. I'm going to use the brown here to just darken it. And then I'm gonna apply the eyelashes that came in here. Actually, I don't know. So these eyelashes are retail price $25. And that's pretty cheap for Lily lashes. They usually go for about $30. That's how much they are on Sephora. So I guess this is a special price for the BoxyCharm. I usually like them more dramatic than this. Oh my goodness. I mean, I like it. I just definitely need to trim. Next, I'm gonna use the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter, and this one retails for $38. Use my highlighting. Okay, so Skin Perfector. I mean, flawless, beautiful formula. As always, love it. Yes, girl. Yes. Love it. love. Okay, I mean, all in all, like with everything that came in this palette, this overall box cost a grand total of $183, and I only paid $21 for this box. That's crazy. That's so crazy. Wow, you guys. So I definitely think a BoxyCharm box is definitely worth it. I definitely do want to continue purchasing the BoxyCharm, but I wanted to actually have a bonus in this video. Over the weekend, or over the weekend, I ordered the Artist and Muse like lip set thingy that was like $40. So before I throw the boxes away, I wanted to actually try this on camera. So it's the lip liner. That's a freaking beautiful color already. I love this color. I just want to buy tons of colors in this color. And then next is the Xoxo mixer. This is the lipstick. I like this lipstick. It's such a beautiful nude. I think this lip combo together is already so gorgeous. Like this two together is already me. Like I just want to leave it like this. I'm sorry, this lighting is so terrible. Where did my cat go? Honestly though, and then this gloss, I mean, I was like, you might as well just get the gloss because it's like it's the lip combo. But I think I'm gonna get more of this lip liner because it's just so good. Let me just show you what the gloss looks like. Bam. It's just so good. Like, hi. Okay, so before this video ends, I just want to thank you so much for being here. Sorry for the terrible lighting. I will try to get my lighting situation situated. Thank you again for tuning in. If you like videos like this, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Peace. Sticky. Okay, so I have a lot of cat fur on my hair because I was playing with my cat earlier. But so pretty much how the frick? What the frick? Look at it, look at it. What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh my gosh. Jesus H. Like honestly, Kim K vibes. Honestly, like, look at it. Okay? Okay? But honestly, this lip combo is life. I'm so sorry, this lighting is so terrible. But the sunset, okay?